Congratulations! The last problem was a big one. However, you still managed to solve it. There is one more important concept that I want you to know about. I really want you to become comfortable working with radians. So far, we have been mainly working with degrees. This is one way to measure angles. However, the other method is to use radians instead. Suppose that I have a random circle with a circumference c and a diameter d. You already know that c over d equals pi. And this ratio had a unit that we called radians. You also know that d equals 2 times r, where r is the radius of the circle. It means that c over d equals c over 2 times r equals pi radians. I can also say that c over r equals 2 pi radians, or c equals 2 pi radians times r meters. Thus, c is in radians times meters. However, remember that radians is dimensionless. It's a ratio of meters over meters. Therefore, radians times meters equals meters over meters times meters, which is simply meters. And now, let's think about the same thing in a slightly different way. Suppose that I have a circle with a radius in meters. And now, since I get the circumference of a circle in meters, when I multiply 2 pi radians by the radius of the circle, then it is like having that radius rotate a full circle around this center here, which is 360 degrees. If I place a pen on the tip of the radius, then it will color the entire outer edge of the circle, which is the circumference. So by multiplying 2 pi radians by the circle's radius, I obtain the length of the circle's outer edge, which is like rotating the radius by 360 degrees around the circle's center. Therefore, we can say that 2 pi radians is equivalent to 360 degrees. This triple bar here means equivalence in mathematics. And so, I can say that I rotate something by 360 degrees or by 2 pi radians. It's the same thing.